Good morning everyone, today is Wednesday and I'm going to be vlogging today. I'm not too sure what I'm getting up to, but we'll see. Keep on watching. So to start off my mornings, I normally write down what I want to do and get done in this little book. So I'm going to do that now. So I just had that amazing breakfast. I'm just about to go for a horse ride. I might try to film some of it, but I'll see. This is my outfit. I normally wear jodhpurs, but they're dirty. So I'm just going to have to wear this, and I'm going to take a jumper because it's actually kind of cold. You ready, Jodes? There's Ruby up there, Jody here, Georgie there. We have some friends in our mulberry tree. I don't know if you can see him. The little bats. There's 3 in there, and there's a couple birds, but they're loving all the mulberries. Alright, I'm gonna go on that horse ride now, and I'll try to film. But my phone will probably die, so we'll see. Voici.
But I don't care what hopeless place that we're in, but I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
It's actually raining for the first time in so long. Woohoo! Knew that rain wouldn't last long. The sun is back out again. I am back filming. It is around... Actually, I have no idea. After lunch, I just had lunch. I made a salad wrap and I toasted it with satay sauce. It was amazing. Now I'm just hanging out those bed sheets that I washed, and then I'm gonna go back inside and clean up my room because it is such a mess right now and something needs to be done to it. So yes. There are two bats fighting in my mulberry tree and I'm not about it. It looks like they're just about to come down and attack me. I'm scared to go any closer. Let's go. All done. So this is the before of my room. It needs some serious help. Hopefully I can get it done quickly, but that's just one half of my room. I've still got all outside my room where all my clothes are supposed to be. Yeah, and I need to sort that out as well, so wish me luck. So this is overwhelming. I'm looking at all the clothes and I know I just have to do it, but I'm so overwhelmed. I'm gonna play some music, but I will get copyrighted, so I'm just gonna play other music on top of that, if you get what I'm saying. But yes, cringe. I freaking hate when I've left it to be this messy. But anyways, I have a free basket now, so I get to put any dirty washing in there.
Show me where you're making love. We'll come for you for sure. At times they go out the question. For my heart, where we are. Just trying to find you. I've been like a maniac, insomnia.
Nearly done, just cleaned up all the clothes and on top of that table there and on top of my desk, but I'm just going to quickly vacuum. I'm just about to go back inside and I'm going to sort through my jumpers because I have so many and they're all just thrown on top of this chest that's overflowing with more jumpers in it. So I'm going to sort them out and put them into a selling pile or an op shop pile. So let's get into that. Nothing is fitting. What the heck? It does look a bit better. It's not fully better though. These are friends, that's Dad's onesie, mine. Good morning guys, it is the next morning now. I ended up going to yoga last night and it was so amazing. I haven't been in the longest time. I didn't film any of it just because I really needed to go there and relax and just embrace the whole experience. But next time I go I'll try to film, we'll see. It was amazing. I honestly missed it so much. It was super tricky because I haven't been in ages and I'm a bit of a weakling at the moment. But if you are feeling stressed or anxious, I highly, highly, highly recommend going to yoga. I've been to a couple different yoga places, but this is my favorite. It's in Wollongbar near the Wollongbar Tavern. It's only $15 a class. It is super, super, super good. I'm feeling very sore this morning from it. You wouldn't think so, but holding some of those poses for long periods of time actually is a workout. Anyways guys, I'm going to end this vlog off here. This was a bit of a day in my life vlog. Wasn't overly exciting, but I just wanted to film a more chill, realistic vlog of what I actually do every day. So if you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!